Hello everyone, this is Abby, a QuickBooks consultant from Cirrus Inc. Today we will be discussing one of the many features of QuickBooks, which is the recurring transactions. Now let us define what is a recurring transaction. Recurring transactions are just what they sound like. Invoices and estimates or purchase orders or other QuickBooks receivables and payables that you have to enter on a regular basis. This can either be for a fixed amount, like an insurance payment, or different amounts, like your electricity bill. If they are the same, you can even schedule them to be processed automatically. Or you can set reminders so you don't forget about the ones that need to be modified every time. So let's start. In today's video, I will be using QuickBooks Sample Company. So, from the menu bar, you go to Lists, and then Memorize Transaction List, where you can see the list of all recurring transactions that you created, or if you haven't set up any yet, it will be empty. If you have sets of transactions with the same due date, you can create a memorized transaction group for that. To create a group, just click this Memorize Transaction drop down below and then go to click New Group. So a new window will pop out. As you can see, there are 3 types of recurring transactions. So we will start with the Add to My Reminders list. So you just have to put the name of this reminder of this group, and then there will be an option here. You can select how often you want to be reminded. So in this case, let us set this monthly. I want my first reminder to start on January 1, 2025. So this option, Add to My Reminders list, will act as a reminder that you set a recurring transaction that might need posting. All the reminders, all part of this group, will be displayed here. So click this one, the alarm clock. If the information is complete, you can click OK. So all the reminders that you want to start based on the information that you put, you can include here.